all in all has turned out to be fairly decent. We've managed to recoup that lost ground and end the day just a smidge below the 16,200 mark. If the Sensex is up about 579 points, and the broader markets, that's where it's interesting. That underperformance seems to have snapped, and you've got a nice 1.6% gain on the mid-cap index, with the small caps up 0.8%. FMCG is the only sector that's showing you a very marginal loss, but other than that, PSU banks flying high, a turnaround being witnessed in metals. Banks, of course, have been supportive from the get-go. You've got real estate, IT, as well as media. They're in the red today. Let's pull up the big gainers in the session then, and you've got Tata Steel, JSW Steel, right on the upside, remain on the losing radar, and Reliance Industries at 25.84. To some newsmakers, Interglobe Aviation without a doubt has been the smart mover in today's trading session, despite Bill Food as well, Aisha, is a stock on the radar.
That it sure is. Lalpat Labs, Torrent Pharma, M&M Finance, Indiabulls Housing. These are all stocks which have been very, very active. High rollovers, all of this series, like I just earlier highlighted. And today was no different. Shree Cement as well, amongst the big boys, did make a comeback. And technology too, to be fair, did see some decent recovery coming in. Now, of course, is another question whether this is just a dead cat bounce from a extremely oversold, beaten down sector. Tomorrow's another day. We'll see how long this recovery actually sustains. But today turned out to be a fairly okay day. Had it been for L&T, Reliance actually participating in today's move, we could have done actually a lot better. But 1% higher is where we shut shop on today's trade.